Welcome to Product Lab. So, as promised, I have commenced the product management course, which is absolutely free for all the participants. We will begin with the fundamentals and gradually progress towards more advanced concept. So, without any further delay, let's get started. So, I'll start with the very basic things. Basically, this is the first session, so this should be an introductory session, right? So, what is product management? I mean, what basically comes into your mind when you think about product management, right? Or if anyone else is talking to you about product management, what goes into your mind? So, I would suggest pause this video for a minute, think about it, let me know in the comment section, and then come back and play this video. Okay, so let's get started. So I'll tell you like what comes into my mind when I hear these two words product management. So see, this is a very vast domain and its meaning can be different for different organizations and different people. But if I have to put it in its simplest form, I'd say product management is basically the process of effectively managing and guiding the development or enhancement of the company's product. And when we say the process of effectively managing or guiding, it will include taking care of development, pricing, market launch, and marketing of the product. Okay, there is one more thing. As we move deeper in the domain, the horizons and the functions that will increase in numbers as well as complexity. Now, there is one more thing. Product management often gets confused with project management. But the first and the most important difference between these two terms is scalability. Product management is about developing a product that will be used by millions of people, right? And those people, they all are different from each other. So it's about that. It's basically about the product. But when we say project management, it is about overseeing and approving plans and executing them to a single project. Right? That's exactly a project, what project management is about. So now there will be few more things I can tell you guys is, as a product manager, I'll be taking care of researching users, markets and competitors, setting up the vision and mission for the product. Now, what is vision and mission? That we will be covering in our future sessions. Then developing strategic plans to achieve the goals, creating and updating the product roadmap, the setting up the communication between different stakeholders. All these are work of product manager. And when we say project managers, they basically take care of assessing the order, breaking them down into performable tasks, creating timelines for project completion, resource allocation, monitoring the progress of the task, and then sharing or communicating those progress to the stakeholders. Now, the next thing I would want to talk to you guys about is what product management involves, right? So, the first thing is defining the problem. What problem the people are facing or things that they want or need. So, basically, trying to understand user or consumer's problem, that is very important, right? Understanding the problem statement and then assessing those problems to find a gap in the product that is desired, and that product is eventually delivered, and then creating an opportunity. So it's not only about understanding the problem, there could be multiple problems in the world, right? You are not going to solve each and every one of them. You need to understand which problem to pick. So for that, you need to assess those problems and you need to create opportunity out of it. Then conducting research on how the potential gap can be closed, right? As I told you guys in the second step, that you need to understand the opportunity, you need to find out that gap and how, what potential that gap holds, that also need to be understood, right? So for that you need to conduct research for that. Then building a prototype of the product to be field tested by real users, and then using the feedback from the users to improve the product, then creating the strategy for the product's launch in the market, and once that is done, creating product roadmap, and then prioritizing tasks for successful execution. That is also very important. This is what product management involves in it. Now, the second thing is product management planning, right? So, there are some of the common factors to keep in mind while planning for product management duties. So, the first thing is conducting research. So, research is basically to gain expertise on company market, user profiles, and competitors. And the second thing is developing strategy. So there are distinct goals, objectives, rough timeline that should be outlined, right? So developing a strategy is very important. And then communicating plans. So all the team members, stakeholders, they should be aware of development processes and the progress we are making. The next thing is coordination. So, relevant information should be shared with team members, and proper communication of development that should be followed. And the last thing is feedback and data analysis. So, proper feedback channels should be established, and decisions for further progress should be made after complete analysis, right? So, this is also very important. So yeah, in this session, this is all I wanted to cover. So as we will move ahead in future sessions, I'll be covering more details, and I'll start with the product, what exactly a product is, how to interact with the users, conducting research, right? There will be multiple things which we will be covering in our future sessions. So for this session, this is all. Do let me know in the comment section that if you want me to change certain things, or you want me to include uh, some concepts. If you feel that that is being missed out, do let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely try to imbibe all those changes in my sessions. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If there are any suggestions or input, do let me know about it in the comment section below. I would definitely try to imbibe those suggestions in my upcoming session. And if you have anything specific which you would want me to cover, you can let me know about that too. If I have already planned it, great. If not, then I would definitely try to include that topic also in my upcoming sessions. So yeah, that's all for today's session. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so that you get the notification for the upcoming sessions. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much.